Samsung's next foldable leak might reveal something bigger than a new phone. It might reveal an entirely new strategy. According to recent reports, Samsung could be splitting its foldable lineup into two very different products. The traditional Fold may return as the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Meanwhile, a newer, wider design could simply become the Galaxy Z Fold 8. And surprisingly, that naming actually makes a lot of sense. The Ultra is rumored to be the no-compromise model. Bigger battery, full triple camera system, basically every flagship feature Samsung can fit into a foldable. But the standard Fold 8 might actually be the more interesting phone. Reports suggest a wider shape, a more tablet-like 4x3 display, and a design that could feel more natural for reading, multitasking, and everyday use. And that might be the real story here. For years, Samsung's foldables have tried to be one device that does everything. These leaks suggest Samsung may finally be separating the camera flagship from the productivity flagship. There's also a smaller detail that could make a surprisingly big difference. Both models are rumored to shrink the selfie camera cutout on the cover display. On paper, that's tiny. In real life, it's the part of the phone you look at dozens of times every single day. Now bring Apple into the picture. Apple's foldable iPhone is still widely expected to arrive in 2026, despite reports of engineering challenges. And that gives Samsung something incredibly valuable: time. Time to refine the hardware, time to expand the lineup, and time to define what a premium foldable looks like before Apple enters the conversation. If these leaks are accurate, Samsung isn't just launching another foldable. It may be building two completely different answers to the same question. So, which sounds more interesting to you? The all-out Fold 8 Ultra or the wider Fold 8?